Hello, this video I'll make a programming language tier list. Let's get started. Impact. The tier list will depend on number 1 simplicity, number 2 readability, number 3 structure and documentation, number 4 security, number 5 speed. Tier. The programming languages which are excellent will be in the S column and the worst programming language will be in the F column. The rest of the programming language will be in the rest of the column according to their impacts. Now we have Python, C, Kotlin, Objective-C, C++, Swift, R, Java, JavaScript, C, PHP, Ruby and Golang. Then at first the Python will be in the A column. Python is a great programming language with simplicity, readability, well structure, well documentation, secure but slow. The C# will be in the S column because its impact is high. Then Kotlin will be in the A column. It's great. Kotlin is used for software development. Then Objective-C will be in the F column, which is bad because it's complex, unsecure, slow and not well structured. Then Swift will be in the D column because it has many drawbacks. Swift has some good sides too, but that isn't enough. Swift is a scripting language. R isn't that good programming language because it's nearly as bad as Objective-C, so it's in the F column. It's a programming language for statistical computing and graphics. Then Java is in B column, which is good. The main drawback of Java is that it's more complicated. JavaScript is in the A column, which is great. JavaScript is mainly used for web development. C is one of the most popular programming language, which is very much popular among the beginners. It's in the C column, which is average. Then PHP is in the B column, which is good. PHP is mainly used for server-side web application development. It helps the website to connect with a database. Ruby is mostly used for building web applications. It's similar to Python. Ruby is in the B column. At last, Golang is in the B column, which is good. Golang is designed at Google and similar to C. Hope you have enjoyed this video. You can like this video and subscribe to this channel. You can also like our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Hope to have a nice and good day. Goodbye.